Hey everyone, and welcome to Imagine Wealth. This is our YouTube channel. Now this week we're going to do a little prediction of what's going to happen next week. Well, basically what we're saying about this coming week, what happened was while the US stocks indices retreat, their decline weren't as sharp as actually people thought, not compared to Europe. Now also, as Russia expands its invasion, we're going to see energy prices soar. The US 500, the SP 500 fell to 1%, and the Nasdaq dropped nearly 2%. The good thing is that indices of some European countries decline more than 10%, so we see the difference. The US is standing a little bit stronger than other countries, which is a good thing. So keep an eye on that USA pair, especially for a forex trader. One thing about this inflation and the Russian attack, its prices will spike again. It's not gonna go as high as $10, but it might go up 30 cents, 50 cents, depending, because of the certainty of what's going on. And Russia is one of the biggest oil or crude oil exporter. I'm sorry about that. Again, the US crude oil blew past $100 a barrel, climbing to a high of 116 this past Thursday, the highest it's ever been since 2011. So keep an eye on that. Also, one thing that's probably going to make the market go into a bearish is basically the European inflation. It's very high. It's not as high as some other years, but it is eventually going to get there. Now, another thing is that the US stock futures sank Sunday as the US and their allies consider the ban of Russian oil imports. Well, let's put some little good news. In New York City, indoors vaccination and mask mandates will end on Monday. So this is a really good sign, because New York City is financially a really, really big city that influence other places, and it will influence the market too. This is probably someone that people already know, but the world's largest aircraft, another casualty of the Russian attack on Ukraine. Now here's a little map of how Russia is actually attacking Ukraine, how it's coming from the west and towards Ukraine, especially the capital. I think that's their main focus, Kiev. Now this is my own personal opinion, but I do think that Russia, their main goal is to actually take over a lot of Ukrainian nuclear plants. This could actually make Russia a powerhouse, because Ukraine is really very big on natural energy, nuclear energy, and stuff like that. So as you can see, this is all different locations on the nuclear plant. Those are different locations that I think Russia is aiming for. Now, one of the biggest predictions is that the market's going to head into a bearish, but inflation's also going to still be affecting the economy. So keep an eye on those US pair and keep an eye on the market. It's heading that way. Now, thank you for watching. This was Imagine Wealth.